It's my pleasure to be here. My name is Abdallah. I've been working at 𝐨𝐼 for 5 years. I work as part of the sales team. We help enable our customers to transition into a more sustainable future.
𝐨𝐼 is one of the most trusted partner for EMS. Could you give us a little bit introduction of 𝐨𝐼?
Thank you, happily. So 𝐨𝐼 has been in the market for over 90 years. It started in the marine industry doing power system controls over there, and slowly they migrated into the land industry. They've been a front runner in many mission critical systems. So a lot of the business was traditional diesel and natural gas generation. But now, as we all are embarking on a new journey to a greener future, 𝐨𝐼 has been spearheading this transition and making it easy and enabling partners like Pylontech to be applicable into other areas as well.
𝐨𝐼 has been most important partner for Pylontech in the renewable journey. I would like to have some your idea and your experience working with Pylontech and also integrating Pylontech in your system.
Perfect. So to begin, just to set the context right, 𝐨𝐼 has done over 900 sites for microgrids around the globe, and we've seen the good, the okay, and the bad. There are different things that we look into in a partner, and this is the same when a customer is looking to have a microgrid solution. They should be looking at 3 different aspects when it comes to the BESS: the BMS, the PCS, and the EMS. For the BMS, the most important thing would be the capability to protect the actual cells. The next one would be balancing. You need the system to be able to balance different strands and make this very smooth, so it's easy for the EMS to manage it as a single unit, a single battery, not as a few chunks that are not in sync together. And the last one is the ability to calculate state of charge and state of health accurately, so that we do not suffer and we are able to utilize this to the maximum ability of the BESS. When it comes to the PCS, the ability to grid phone, grid follow, and do VSG mode, as well as compliance with different utility standards. And of course, when it comes to the EMS, the ability to integrate different resources, including traditional generation, emerging new technology like fuel cells, and connection to the grid, and multi-BESS application. So you need something that can combine all of this. And of course, you need something that can scale up, and something that's hardened and tested throughout the years. All of the fail-safe scenarios are built in, and the customer doesn't have to program everything from scratch. Move into why we recommend Pylontech. We've had a pleasant experience with Pylontech. Is they do meet the requirements that I mentioned for what we should look for in a BMS. They can easily give us an accurate state of charge and state of health. They can easily balance the cells, and the system is safe. So the EMS can literally utilize it to the maximum ability without us having to be too invasive or anything. We read the values that we need, and we optimize it, and we dispatch, and we meet the customer needs without a lot of glitches.
Yes, the reliability mentioned is very important, and also the information for the customer. Yes, Pylontech has a strong ability to provide that, but without the help of 𝐨𝐼, we cannot easily pass those information and deliver those energy to our customer. Our solution can be stronger with each other's support.
Yeah, exactly. And it's oftentimes better to find partners who are excellent in their areas than going after one provider. It might look attractive in the beginning, but no one can do everything perfectly. So a lot of big names out there will tell you we can do it all, but at the end of the day, the customers suffer. So it's better to find this ideal partner, the best of the best in each area, and have them work together as a team.
Totally agree. We have to have the best BMS, best PCS, and the best EMS, so we have the best solution. The third question is why you choose Pylontech as a partner?
Oftentimes when our engineers are commissioning a system, always nothing goes perfectly. So you need someone you can rely on. You need someone who will pick up the phone. You need someone who's interested in helping you in making the project succeed. You'll come across a lot of companies who would just collect POs, send out the system, and then when you're trying to get a hold of them for some help, they don't support you. So support, collaboration is the most important thing. Of course, technical requirements are met, as we mentioned before, but it's the openness to collaborate and the interest in our mutual customer success is what we like about Pylontech.
Sure, I believe so, because we're not just manufacturer, we're also the solution provider. So we help the customer during the whole project time. And very nice to have you here.
Yeah, thank you for having me.